everybody, this is Sophia from Canbest. Now I'm standing at the RH series panel. I will introduce some details of our RH panel now. First, I will show you our corner protection design. When we do the transportation, we will open this corner protection, and this will protect the LED lamp when do transportation. Another detail is there is a strong magnetics on up and down panels. This is to help the location for up and down panels for faster installation. And this, you see, we use Citronic power and signal connection cables for the RH panel. And this is our power supply box, which integrated with power supply, receiving card, and hub board. It's a wireless connection. You see, it's very fast. It's very fast to do replacement when you do maintenance. This is the fast locks. You see, it's very easier to do installation. And these are the curved locks, which are optional. You see, it can be adjusted from -10 to 15 degrees. And if you have any questions, want to know more details about our RH panel, please contact our online sales. Thank you. Bye-bye.